Okay, now do it. Tell Jayla.
Tell me to look up.
Jayla, look up. Jayla, look down. Jayla, you're the biggest fool in town. Tell her. Change a full town. You're a full town. Whoa, Jackson. You okay? Tell Daddy. James is the biggest fool in town.
Daddy, look up.
Fool in town? You're Harper, look up. Harper, look down. Harper, you're the biggest fool in the town.
Oh my goodness.